Mimi Sharon picking. Sharon, why? He never even reached 6 months. Now, I know you to go far. He never even reached 3 months. Mona see the way Mimi they look now. This is Mimi when they stay with his grandmama now. After Sharon bye. After Baba Sharon don't buy Sharon. Mona see Mimi picture now. Now Mama Sharon they take care of this Mimi now. See the difference for these two pictures. I know I just shout. If I come from work later, I'll come do video. Big difference there. This one I went Sharon. Before Sharon bye. Me, I just say few weeks. Sharon don't even newborn. She newborn for herself. She newborn this a new baby before she bye. So before she can't get headache when mama take neglect her. Just see Mimi now. Make una see Mimi. This one are in difference of just 1 month. Now so Mimi they look now. And this Mimi they stay with Sharon mama. Joy. Now wow. The thing is very clear that Sharon mama buy Sharon because of the house where Sharon buy. Sharon buy now he never reach 6 months. Mona see picking where Sharon buy live. Mama Sharon saying they take care of Sharon picking. Mona see Sharon picking now. He never even reach this picture, never even reach maybe 2 months interval. Mona see the difference. I am very happy that a lot of people are seeing it now. Mama Sharon, bye. Everybody, they sorry for Mama Sharon. When this whole thing started, everybody was easy. But I thank God, now there was a video I saw yesterday when I was on break. We still let's do. And that one I still let's wait first come out. Fire easy. Later now, I believe say the same stainless don't they see what I they see for inside this matter. No be Sharon mama start where they did for this kind of situation. From the beginning, I sorry for her. But when I see the way they drag easy for no reason, now therefore no say, this Sharon mama na bad head. And some other people don't they see her. That was people where stand. Where he be the stand for Mama Sharon before. A lot of people are now seeing it. That Mama Sharon was the one that buy her daughter. Mama Sharon buy Sharon because of the house we Sharon buy. Because if I did talk say Mama Sharon buy Sharon, buying person for person to buy person don't be by say person carry gun or he carry cutlass or he use anything. Mama Sharon buy Sharon because of her negligence towards Sharon. Not just that, because of the narration where they narrate Sharon. As the narrate Sharon don't stick by. She still the narrator. They narrate her only picking where it can remain. A useless mother is always a useless mother. A useless mother is always a useless mother. Sharon, he never even reached 6 months now. Mama Sharon the bad head. Iye Sharon no gbomo. Iye Sharon no momo yo to. He never even reached. Everybody they sorry for Mama Sharon. But even when Sharon outside that's where no even know Sharon from he pain them, they cry, he pain them, that's Mama Sharon. Sharon he never reached 2 months. Mama Sharon don't they go, they carry hospital, they go court because of money. And that money at the end of the day, okay, yak money kia. Call you, Frank. You know what for me to even live video now, say I want to talk to you. I don't know what I do. Because you not be person. Because you not be better person. Apartment where me they live, money where they pay for my apartment. If you my apartment, what did they say my apartment as my apartment be? Before you will die, come back next life, you can never get it. Do you understand what I'm saying? You see what I call hypocrisy. You know, say I talk and say, if I enter something, it a change. Do you know why? I'm just a gifted person with that thing. I feel for everybody. But when it be said the way Sharon Mama take the drag easy for no reason, I was like, what? This is not fair. If this woman is really grieving her daughter's death, she will not be doing all these things. Now, you don't turn to Ivie o Eriona almost me and you not be made for this life. We will not be made for next life. For me to run my live video, before if you want make I run my live video, say, now you are one to talk to again. My dear, according to you, they give you paper. Congratulations. But paper, they get different type now. I don't understand. They give you paper. You say they give you 5 years. They cannot give you 5 years Fusca. Because what I know, say for Italy, the time when they give the Fusca paper, what did they cost a journal that year? Now that they give, now so many years ago. How can they give you documents? Now Fusca, you carry come out. The plastic, now plastic be visa now. They give you document for Europe. Now plastic. Come and show the plastic to the world. After all, when Atiti gets your document, he posted the plastic. He not show newspaper. He posted it. He covered his name. Since Frank, you said they don't give you document now. Congratulations. But I want to tell you, if you want me, I want my live video for you. You never reach. Start work. Because now when they take you paper, now, it don't pass 1 week. Oh. Before you know it, it will be 2 weeks, 3 weeks, it will be 1 month. So if you never start to the work, may you know as work be. You never start to the work, may you take know as work be, say for person to the work. I know, sit down, talk to you, you never reach. Now I get document. I get document. Go and work with it. So I give you nothing. I could just give you, I just give you, not like say I did verse. I'll give you 6 months. May you take work as they give you paper. So if you don't start to the work, I can't say I dey follow my mates, they do saga or they talk. For that, me and you not be mates. Because there are a lot of people who get document. It not go work. You say they don't give you document. So I say they give you time. May you start work now. So if you never start work, me and you not be mates, we not get what you want to talk. When they give Atiti paper, you not even reach 2 weeks. You bless now that same week, now you go start work. So may you go start work. May you know say life not be by the chop and the damn. And the woman here where person no fit use I tell you how much more say month. Do you understand? Go and start working before you can talk to people like me. You say me, my papa, go clear where they want bury Sharon. Ah, my papa is ready. I don't even come apart this morning. I told him, I say, Daddy, I have a job for you. He said, which job? Now I say, get one woman where they call Joy that she did Italy. She buy a pikin. You go yeah. I beg the woman they look for person where want dig the ground. Where they want put a pikin. Daddy, I beg, I want me you dig that ground for her. Even though he not even pay you. Even though say na 100 euro they pay her. Na 100 naira. It's even though they not even pay her. My papa say go do one willingly. He's saying go do one for Mama Sharon willingly to go dig the ground where they want bury Sharon. You say my papa na this, my papa na that. My papa na conductor. Na lema. is very good, but my papa never bury a pikin. So, Mama Sharon, my papa go redo that work for you. And you know go end for Sharon body. All the children, everything you get for this life go buy. My papa go help you, they bury them. Iye Sharon, a joy no dada na shawo, a shawo rejo Emilia. Me what they no way. Thank God this weekend. I come back from work. A joy na shawo rejo Emilia. My papa go they dig ground for you where you will bury your children. According to waiting, you said Frank, may come talk. Say, you say me, my papa can't dig ground where they want bury Sharon. My father will do it with all pleasure. But if my papa dig ground where they want bury Sharon, not be only that one he go dig for you, Mama Sharon. My papa will still dig a lot of grave for you when you they bury your children and your grandchildren. Before my mama die, my mama not bury pikin. Frank, you wait they talk. Your papa, before he died, he buried his son. Your papa buried his son for your backyard. That one are the greatest torment we person get for life. On your one, my who, on my no yeragbon, so man, who die better person. The pains when your papa carry go grave, it too big person. Your papa na bury your pikin. For him, the burying for your papa backyard, where your papa still alive. Your papa will get up for night. He want go peace. He go see he pikin grave for a backyard. He go get up in the morning. He go see pikin grave. That one are the worst torment, the worst thing ever where any human being, any father or mother go face. Your father faced it. My papa, they beg money for Ring Road. My papa na beggar for Ring Road. If you don't know papa for Ring Road, my papa never beg you money. Now they say you don't know beggars for Ring Road. But my papa as a beggar has never buried a child. Instead, you go they do it willingly for people where they against your own children. Where they against other people's children. Person like Mama Sharon, where they against Easy for no reason. Because now Easy, she be want me buy the thing can happen to a pikin. Nah. She dey drag Easy for no reason. Easy ye Sharon ate fi. Ona muzo isi da Easy. Ona mukboe da egbe. Evio sayak binik na neberi. So for you, Frank, you say you don't get paper now. I'm happy for you. Go fair work before me and you will consider again to do saga because we was war. We do here. We here was on my guy okra soup. We not done. Soup where they don't feed they look for her. We no you na we some more. We have him. We do it. You cannot walk. The see person will go feel work. That they know. Person will receive your life. As they don't give you documents since you're supposed to go start work to make the document strong. 6 months. Aduro where they give you. 6 months. Aduro. That document with the episode, say Frank, they give you. You know what I call that document for Austria? Now lager card. If you chop Aduro for Austria, the thing where they will give you now be lager card to know say you are now recognized in the country. That was what they gave to you. Aduro lager card. Now be the 6 months where they give you. So if you don't get plastic, I believe say maybe they use that Aduro paper till they work. Try me, you go use and work. If you don't get plastic, you will not bring it out and say, yes, now I get document. For now, I'm still happy for you because now you are now recognized in Italy. They don't give you that 6 months Aduro paper. Aduro 6 months so that they give them for Italy. They don't give you now. If you not quit work, before you know it, 6 months go come. Before you know it, 6 months don't mark for your head. If you not quick go use that Aduro paper, say me you go find work. Not be say you go find work for Africa restaurant. You go find work for Africa bar or Africa saloon. Go and look for a legit work where they say that they work, government go no say you they work. Because if not, if 6 months come meet you, you never still work. Because as you did now, you never go interview. They never call you for commission, as Italy they call them. They give you that 6 months. As Aduro say, we know say you did for this country. So before they'll call you for interview, before they'll call you for commission, for interview, if you get sense now, quick go use that 6 months Aduro paper, they work. May not go buy for your hand. Because when you buy for your hand, they say you don't work. You not work to take build that Aduro paper. May therefore can't give you normal 2 years visa or 1 year visa, most especially 2 years visa. The time when they'll take call you for interview, they might give you negative again. That your story is not accepted. Now they say that Aduro paper don't die for your hand. So if you know what is good for you, now advice I they give you. That Aduro 6 months what they give you for Italy, go use and take work. Quick, go find work for better company. Go work. May 6 months not come knock you there. Because if it knock you, they are going to give you negative. Ma'am, they give you 6 months, they give you Aduro paper. You know me say that document they give you. Because say you are not wise. You are not wise. You don't know anything. That is why you can come out and say 6 months Aduro document where they give you say na paper. They don't give you document. You are not documented. You are still an immigrant in that country. You are still nothing but an immigrant. Not just an immigrant. Immigrants will be say they never even interview you. They never call you for commission. So after you don't go commission, come back. Come talk to me. So that you go know whether a negative they will give you or a positive. So that time, if they give you positive, you can now boldly come out and say, if they don't give me paper, they will not see that plastic with you. At least after 40 years for Austria, I get 1 year document. Now plastic, not be Fusca, not be Aduro, plastic, visa, plastic. So first go get the kind of plastic I get before me and you sit down and talk. Because who was war? You see, when on this social media, there's one thing where we say, man, where they see. When you stand, say, no, this thing, this woman, na bad person, na evil, Mama Sharon. Because now, say, you the saga, because say they don't pay you. Because say Mama Sharon give you money. And you they fuck that his sister, where they for beg, where they call Samede. If they open to talk for you for camera. Because say you they support evil of Mama Sharon. May Mama Sharon they spoil another person picking. Where be say that person don't know what think by Sharon. Now Mama Sharon use her hand, take by her picking. Now instead they use her hand till they bury her children. So if another person not stand, they support Mama Sharon for the Ouku, no, what should they do? Now be say another person, no, they they talk better thing. No, you lie, Ojolojo. I stand against oppression. That's my mission on social media. I don't like oppression. Mama Sharon cannot be oppressing Ivie for no reason. After she don't use negligence, take by her only daughter. It's not done. Nobody is going to accept that from her. Me, Ivie, I will never accept it. Because not be easy start to the girlfriend. Mama Sharon just want to use everything to tie easy. And easy, Mama. But at the end of the day, the thing they backfire now. Yeah, Sharon, we want mutia. Me is a woman does it tally a platform in me. You this criminal. You that you wait by your picking. Who you woman. I never see where Mama for the inherit picking property. Now Mama Sharon body now for see and say Mama na they wait for a picking to die. Me for accept me for inherit a picking property. Normally before the another way round. But as it be, and so it be. For Mama Sharon, it's okay. Frankie, me matter mo well. Ina we mega line now because of a bad character with Sharon, because of how diabolical she is, because of how she take use negligence by picking, how she take use her own hand bury picking. Sharon, I thought if I come out, it will change. What you go talk? Not be you talk. I just see the video yesterday when they cut up. Ivie if you love more, wow. Look at Mama Sharon. After how many years? She could, only 2 children. She could not bring them together. Not just bringing them together. Only 2 children when she born. She is not friends with them. They hate her. How can your first pikin hate you? Second pikin will still hate you. Who would look and where? Wait till they read this up. How can a child just hate his mother? They say Okpamen a bad person, he hates his mama. But Okpamen, waiting Sharon mama do, Okpamen not be here. Evil. Mother, ije no ye boya gwe mohon, ye Sharon he. Ije no na mo. Amo e bok boma, amo nak boma, o nakagbe. Ije no na mo ma zero so. Obe awe ebo dan ya sweni mono you hebie. Ye Sharon he. Iye Sharon or gbe Sharon di name. Mama Sharon is evil. And if she's not careful. Any ya fe no fi war again. Okia lost here because of her evil heart. I've seen it all. Mama Sharon is the greatest evil you can ever think of. No gbomo, no momo yoto. No gbomo wi womo. Ije Sharon, ije dan no gbomo no wi womo. Ije Sharon ejo no wi data. Ije no wi womo. Ije no gboye ene o wi hwe. Ewehin. Ugu gbowe Sharon ne. Una we e Sharon wu o ma sick pedia u kun so we Sharon ne ku work a boyfriend no me mu so we Sharon ne. What is life? So Frank, if you want to talk, I better talk another saga, because your saga it not make sense. You know the baby no feel like more. Now let that one you want to talk. We done it for nowhere. But ya total way ya gwale when we as well do. Ya gwale when ya commission when ya be no ba duro zo. Na me na. Remember, do me that duro when me get when me there for a duro, they give me like a card. I happy. I was so happy because laga card. That was the first time when they give me laga card for Austria. Years ago, when they give me a duro laga card. I was very happy. So I know say me you not happy. You must happy say they give you laga card. But you come in there to change this say now so they give you document. You are a liar. Show the plastic before. I go know say that document they give you. Now plastic they give for the whole of Europe. They only give for scrap paper. Awa be you awa ho. Monoma enegbe. When enegbe ovi you are in Libya. Your brother has been in Libya now for the past 3 years. Now Abia you were now he carry your brother enter Libya. The time where Abia you were for take cross your brother from Libya enter Europe. Now you take show Abia you are your bad dead. As Abia you were, since when you Abia you are not there again. As Abia you were run away from you. Now your brother take Gog for Libya. Till today, mommy me fear boy. Wow. Why you man no man got a live video they chop okra soup. Some kind soup they like me. Now I take the chop. Because I will marry I will move here. I use I to assess that food. The food look good. I'll feel put on format. So kind food when you they eat, if me use I eat dog no fit chop that food safe. Looking at the food for I. You go just the chopper, you think say you have arrived in the chop okra soup. We no ogbolo soup we no let person look for plates. Food we no the let person you know if you use it to eat the food. The food would look so oh yes, saka. And most wow. You feel you have arrived. Even one moje. We are no man. Nekita ti yao e ama woman agbo. You are much one lawa and fight for yourself. Fight for your life. Because me as I don't do so, I don't do my own. You don't understand. I don't pass you for life. Like 10 years ago. I pass you for everything. I never built that for Nigeria according to you. I never built that for Nigeria. You, when you say you build that for Nigeria, the house when you say you build, is the document of that house with you? No. Because you buy that house. Now, woman, I pay for that land for you. Now, even Abia, you will start to build that house for you. Where the document of the house? Is it with you? No. It's with somebody who you don't know. Do you know if that house has been seized as we speak? If you will get that document back, you are just nothing but a fool. Keep on ranting. You are suffering. You say you didn't enjoy. Because now, let's best way they suffer, go feel look the way you did look. Our young boy, when they born for 90, you were born in 1982. 1982, now they born you. A young boy, when they born, you were born in, 20th of March, 1982. Everything about you, Adoro, it inside this my phone. 20th of March, 1982, now they born you. How can you be looking like that? Waff with there? How can a young boy like you, a small boy when they born for 1982, you don't get white hair, you wear coffee ball? Even your belly is not giving. There are some men where you go get big belly, where you go look the thing go feed them. Your own, who you na get we no one is there. No one is there. If you are not a fool, ever since you have been supporting Mama Sharon, have I ever come out for you and say, Frank, why are you supporting Mama Sharon? No, I don't have right over it. You can be supporting Mama Sharon. Why I'm against Mama Sharon because of what she's doing. It's not fair. She cannot be dragging an innocent girl. She cannot say she's grieving her daughter and be doing all this nonsense. She that is supposed to be grieving as a mother that just lost a child. But she's not doing it. She's busy going from lawyer to lawyer where you want to sue. They do nonsense, all sort of nonsense. You want me to support that kind of woman? No. But I'm not against people that are supporting Mama Sharon. I'm doing my own thing. Everybody has their opinion. That is why, may you tell no say, you be mumu, you are a fool. You don't have sense. Because if to say you get sense, you for no say, now me carry you on this social media. You for no say, if to say, maybe I be mumu, I'll tell you say, Frank, why you go to support Mama Sharon? Have I ever did a video to tell you, Frank, why are you supporting Mama Sharon? No, I can never do that because I'm very, very educated. Because you have your own opinion. You know the way you take believe your own. So you coming now to say, Ivie, why are you against Mama Sharon? Makes you a fool. Because I've never told you or asked you to stop supporting Mama Sharon. Everybody has their opinion. When Stainless supported Mama Sharon, just the way I was doing before, when Sharon looked by. You carry a comment, you can't play Stainless video. Stainless, wow, you were clapping for her because she was supporting Mama Sharon. We are not talking about the support. We are talking about how we feel. Now, Stainless came out. Talk and say, this Mama Sharon, where them where you don't even get shame. I think say you better person. You never come play the video now. I know say you can't come out now. Say Stainless, you be idiot. Why you they say Mama Sharon a bad woman? Nobody has ever come out to tell you say why you go say Mama Sharon na good woman. Because you are a fool, that is why you are attacking people that are against Mama Sharon's character. Because any woman with her right senses who lost the picking cannot be behaving the way Mama Sharon is behaving. It's because Mama Sharon has a hand in the death of her daughter. That's why she's behaving like this. If Mama Sharon is really a mother, why is Mimi looking this haggard? My people, now just short video. This video, I just can't use and tell Frank, say, me go sit there, he not join. Any presenter that will come out and say, why did you do this video? Why are you supporting this? That presenter is a fool. That's what you people has been doing on this social media. Ivie, why you they support your sister? Ivie, why you they do this one? That is what you people has always been doing on social media. You think you can sit in your one room where bed not there, Frank? Where you they sleep for ground, wait for poo, floor for ground, wait for poo, chair not there, Joko, chair not there your house, and tell other presenters what to do? No way. You are a mad boy. If you really know, say, what did Mama Sharon do is good, why are you now attacking people that are bringing it out? The way you are also bringing it out, when you take say, according to you, say it's not good. Now, so me still say Mama Sharon is a bad mother. She killed her daughter. I not put water for mouth to talk. Because if to say Mama Sharon not get hand for the death of her daughter, she not go to do all this pasha what she they do. She will stand where. If Mama Sharon is a good mother, she not go to do all these things with, even as Sharon don't buy, Mama Sharon still they narrate Sharon, and they narrate the only picking way remain Okpamen. Iye Sharon no more bogbo mo no be. Mama Sharon go wake up for midnight. He go they swear for his children. You call that a mother? Iye Sharon no banu amu ebogbe Sharon ke wu. No banu amu ebogbo Okpamen. On your Ijia. My people, make I leave una. I'll join una later. Me, I don't go miss my stress band. Alright. See you guys later. God will bless you now. If I come back, I'll come do video. This one I just short video. To tell Frank Victor, because I don't even, I say me they call him Momozo. Does it really make sense? You understand? I just do this video to tell him say I not be mate. So me just go sit down, may go try. As he want to, may go they think of I want to go commission. As in interview. Make it see whether they'll give a negative or positive. And may go use the Aduro 6 months where they give her Aduro lager card. May take go find work before the 6 months good luck for your head. You understand before it's too late. You understand? So now only that one I see. Anybody can support whomever that person wants to support. I'm not fighting for easy. I'm standing against oppression from Mama Sharon. What is the reason? Why is Mama Sharon dragging easy? Now easy has Sharon for buy. Now easy neglect Sharon where Sharon buy. Why Mama Sharon want put a mistake for another person's body? When she has failed as a mother. I keep on saying it. Now if I say your children, when are they under the same roof, now you not fail as a mother. There are so many women out there where they say their children, they with their children, they fall under the same roof, but they are failed as a mother. Mama Sharon has failed as a mother. Mama Sharon failed Sharon woefully. E Sharon a dit ak bon yabe, eri zek bije ven weje. Eri louwe bije ven weje joy, ri ak bon yabe. On ye door yak bon yabe o. On a we yak bon yabe. On a yak bon yabe. E bije ven weje, eri biyo. Because we don't enjoy. I'm coming. When I see that woman, where they call Mama Sharon's sister, where they Belgium. The relationship she has with Frank, they open to for Frank. She don't even buy ticket on code. They go fuck Frank for Italy. That is why Frank is supporting them. I swear to God, I know everything. I know the story. oppressing a woman with this comment. There's a comment I saw here. So let me block the person. Let me block this person. Block. Okay. No blocker. You understand? Oppressing Edo unity. That's why I want even block her, not block her. Okay, now the person I block. Somebody for no reason. Umami boy will not bomb monubie. Wo yo boy yak bowe. Iye Sharon. Wo yo boy yak bomb monubie. Una wagie ini ne hoe. Wadu agwalo mami no akwa kwa yo egbe. Iye Sharon. Akuna uwe. Uwe hi ari yoko uwe ari uwe social media na. Go monu koko ye Sharon. E Sharon wo ma esukiva. Ma esukine. Go oye Sharon nugu koko. Ye no jere na meme. Look at the difference for these two pictures. This pikin where they with Sharon so. Where they this pikin where they for this picture with Sharon so. Now it be the same pikin be this. This one a few weeks before Sharon die. See am. 2 months. 2 months after Sharon died, now the pikin be this one. Una not see the difference. Una see the packer, the way mama take pack her hair, take do and fine. This pikin now, is she not suffering? Is this child not suffering? She don't look like pikin where they suffer. Omo no ba ina ekpachoko na ije wo ma esukpe, o ma esukie ha. Omo ye na ekpachoko ne babana. Hey, you know what will come. It's later, my people, make I leave when I go miss my extra. You understand? I wanna join me later. You see, some videos, some people will just send me some video, they will cut it, TV, look at. I say, send me a. This is their plan. Now, what do they want be this one? They are so jealous. Now, they want to make sure, may they try every means. Say, I want to cause quarrel for mama and for Iyeki and Ivie and her sister. May we for enter. I'm not dragging Iyeki with you, but she's my lovely sister. And I want to tell you again, nobody feel cause quarrel from me and my sister. She's a presenter, I'm a presenter. I have every right to stand my ground. I have every right to do my own video as well. Me not supporting who my sister is supporting, if you guys are not full, does not make me say I'm a bad sister to my sister. I saw a lot of comments. Hey, now even if they use body they follow Iyeki, Iyeki not send Ivie, he pay you. The relationship with me and my sister gets. Now that one they pay una. And it's too strong. It's bonded. Nobody can separate it. My sister knows who I am. It never reached 2 months. So. Nah, Mimi be this one. Mona see Mimi 2 months ago. Now Mimi be this one. It never reached 2 months when Mama did that. Now Mimi be this one. This picture one of the scenes which for be like a Bachoko. So, you people, even you, Frank, you people have been wanting to separate me and my sister. By all means. Now, you say, okay, if you guys are not full, must I join the person with my sister? Join? Must I? Am I not a presenter? Don't I have right to do my own video? I stand my ground as well. Does that mean, say, I hate my sister? Or, hey, and my sister a bad person to me? Can I come out now and say, my sister, why are you not supporting Easy? Because my sister is not supporting Easy. Because I'm standing against oppression from Mama Sharon to Easy. Say, I can't say my sister na bad sister. No. Because you guys are fools. This one, you started insulting me how many years ago? Just for me to say, Ivie, why you go they call Ivie?